A doctor made the scatter plot below to show the number of colds his patients had as it relates to the number of oranges they ate each week. So here's a patient. Looks like he had 0 oranges and he had 6 colds that season. Down here, here's a patient who had 7 oranges. That's one every day. Okay, and he didn't have any colds. Uh, Here's another patient who had 7 oranges that week, each week, and had 1 cold. Okay, now which of the following best describes the correlation for the data? Okay, you have a positive correlation, or a non-linear correlation, or a negative correlation, or there's no correlation. Okay, which is this one? Well, this is what a positive correlation looks like. It's kind of like a positive slope here. If you can draw a line somewhat through these points, since this is positive slope, you would say this is a positive correlation. Now, this is what you call a negative correlation, because you could draw a line somewhere along here and it would somewhat hit the points, okay? And this is what you call negative slope. So this would be a negative correlation. You can't draw a line through this one, can you? It's more like a curve, isn't it? Huh? In fact, it's more like a parabola where y equals x squared. Anyway, there's no line that hits all these. It's more of a curve. There is a correlation, but it wouldn't be a line, would it? It'd be non-linear. This is what a non-linear correlation looks like a y equals x squared, or exponential function, or something like that. Now, there's no curve or anything you can draw through this. You can't draw a curve, you can't draw a line. So this has no correlation, okay? No correlation. So on ours, we would call it a what? A negative correlation, wouldn't we? You draw a line like that with negative slope, we would say negative correlation.